Hey guys! In this video, we're going to draw Elsa from Frozen. I tried to draw Elsa very true to the movie, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, at the top, draw an oval shape for the head that's a little tilted to the left. And draw a horizontal line in the middle that's also a little tilted. And draw the ears on both sides like this. Now at the top, let's draw the hairline. So draw a small curve like this. And draw baby hair coming out like this. And erase the overlapping area with the eraser. Now at the center, draw a little sweep like this, then draw 3 scallops to the right, and draw a pointy corner like this, and draw one more scallop to connect to the ear. Let's draw 3 scallops on left side here too. When you're done, let's erase the overlapping area with the eraser. Now let's draw the hair streaks. So draw small curves from the sunken areas of the scallops to the center like this. Now let's draw the eye. Draw the almond shape in the center guideline. Lift the left corner open for the eyeball later. Draw one more on the left side. Now draw a small circle on the left corner like this on both sides. And at the top right corner, draw tiny circles like this for the highlights and fill in the eyes except for those highlights. You can thicken up the top eyeliner by going over it a few times and draw 3 eyelashes at the corner of the eyes to make her prettier. Now let's draw the eyebrows. So draw a curve that comes down, goes up, and then comes down dramatically at the end. Do the same thing on the left side. Comes down, goes up, and comes down again. You can go over a few times to thicken up the eyebrows. For the nose, draw a small curve like this. And then draw a smiley mouth that's a little angled like this. Now let's draw the neck. So draw a vertical line that's slightly tilted to the right and draw a tiny line on the left side like this. Now let's draw the shoulder. Draw a curve that's slightly going down like this. And on the right side, the elbow will come about here a little above the ear, so draw a straight line from the chin to the dot like this. And duplicate the line next to it for the thickness of the arm, and do the same thing on the left side. Now let's draw the chest. So draw the curve like this on the right side, and draw the same curve on the left side like this. For the hips, draw the small curve as a chest like this. And then draw a small bump like this for the knee. And draw the skirt at the bottom. It will be all the way down, so make a mark here. And draw a curve to the dot like this. On the left side, draw a curve like this for the hip. And then draw a skirt that flares out. Make a mark all the way to the left but a little higher than the end of the skirt, and draw a curve to connect to the dot. And draw another curve at the bottom like this to close the skirt. Now let's draw the leg, so draw a straight diagonal line like this. And we're going to draw a foot, so it goes up a little and then turn to the right like this. And then draw a soft curve to the knee area like this. And then draw a small line that goes up, and draw another small curve like this for the skirt. And we'll extend the line to the left corner of the skirt like this. Now let's draw another leg that's behind. So draw a line that goes all the way down like this. The end can have a little curve, and then it will go up a little and turn the direction like this. And draw a soft curve to the top like this to finish the leg. Now let's draw a small curve like this on the waist. And another small curve like this on the chest for the neckline. And draw two straight lines on the shoulders like this. Now let's draw the rest of the arm. So extend the arm to the left like this. The right arm goes up, so draw two vertical lines like this. Now let's draw the hands. So go diagonal way, turn the angle just a little bit, and then come back just a halfway. Now go slightly downward and come back halfway. And go diagonal way and come back up a halfway. And draw a line toward the wrist, but only go a halfway again. Now let's draw the thumb. Go diagonal way, go around, and that's it. Let's draw the index finger at the top. Go up following the same angle as the back of the hand and come back down. And draw a horizontal line at the wrist for the sleeve. Let's go to the left side, come down in a diagonal way, and come back up for the thumb. And draw a horizontal curve like this at the top, and draw a same curve at the bottom, and stop in the halfway. And draw a finger that's a little angled down like this, and another finger that's more angled down like this, and draw the pinky finger that goes straight down like this, and connect it to the thumb like this. And draw the vertical line at the wrist for the sleeve. Now let's draw the cape. It comes from the middle of the neckline and go all the way to the left bottom. So make a dot here, and then draw a curve like this to the dot. And from the edge of the neckline, draw a straight line to the dot like this. For the back cape, make a dot above the cape. Draw a curve from midpoint to the dot like this. And draw another curve at the bottom like this. And continue the curve in the gap here like this. Now let's draw the braid. So draw a curve to the left like this above the arm. Maybe it can be just a little bit longer. And draw the scallops like this above the curve. And draw the scallops again below the curve like this. Now let's draw small diagonal lines inside like this, from the sunken area to the middle line. Do the same thing at the bottom, but in opposite direction. Now let's draw the hair tie and a little tail like this at the end. And draw some wrinkles on the skirt like this to look natural. Now let's draw the snowflakes. So next to the hand, draw a small circle and 6 lines around the circle like this. Make sure all the lines are the same length and draw a small line at the end like a cross. Now let's move to the left hand to draw more snowflakes. Draw 3 lines like this for a very simple snowflake. Draw 3 more. Now let's draw a bigger snowflake. Draw upside down triangle and a regular triangle like this and fill it in. And draw a diamond shape in the sunken area like this. Now let's draw the shoes. Draw a horizontal line at the toe area like this and another line at the heel area like this. And draw a tiny rectangle next to the heel like this. You can erase the overlapping areas with the eraser to finish the drawing. Wow, your Elsa drawing looks like it just came out from the movie. If you want to see how I color her, please check out my shorts video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!